Welcome to the BuddyPhones PopFun unboxing video. Let's open the packaging and see what's inside. Here we have the BuddyPhones warranty card, a Musila Music School free trial coupon, a Pinna promotional discount coupon, a user manual, a set of 4 decorative stickers to personalize the headphones, Here we have the headphones itself. Inside the side of the cardboard tray, you will find the audio cable and the USB charging cable. That's the end of the unboxing video. Thank you for watching.